Welcome back to our channel, and for today, pag-uusapan natin ang isang work from home job na maaaring pwede nyong makahelp sa inyo. So, for today, ang website na pag-uusapan natin ay ang USource website. So, USource, by the way, digital is in our DNA. So, this is their welcome page. And then, as you can see here, go digital.join us. A digital world needs digital stuff. So here, when we scroll down, you were able to see the different job position, and as you can see, all of them are work from home. So they posted 1 week ago, and mas nag-hire sila ng Filipino virtual assistant here. So we have work from home here, web developer, writers and editors, search engine optimization, professional, human resource assistant. So work from home. All of these are work from home. Let's say, for example, you want this human resource assistant, or if you have an idea about digital marketing, so let's say you want to apply on digital marketing, click that, and then you will see here the description. So posted 13 hours ago, apply for a job. So they are looking for graduates and experienced digital marketers and analysts. And here, this the description. You will be working online with clients based overseas, assisting with digital marketing initiatives. By the way, since this is virtual assistant, your virtual assistant here, you and the client will going to talk regarding the salary. So kayo mag-uusap based on your skill at ano yung may offer mo kay client, that dun rin nakabase yung iyong salary. So here's the requirements: qualification in marketing and business related fields. They are also looking for experience with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, social media posting, and also analytical thinkers, problem solvers, and organized approach. And also, we have here the skills and the qualification and experience. And the salary is like what I said, it's negotiable. Kayo ang mag-uusap ni client ninyo based sa yung experience at sa skill na kaya mo i-offer. So, here are the other information. Now, once you already read all the information on this type of job and you think you are suited into this job, then you may now click apply for a job. After that, kapag okay na, ayan, continue lang natin. You may now fill out information, your first name, going to write your name, your last name, your email address, and then how quickly can you commence working, and then what role are you applying based on the job postings, and then you can check here. After that, how much experience do you have working online in the digital space? You can choose here as well, and you may now also click the starting salary that you want, and then later on, once done, your current location, even though it's work from home, you need to write it, and then submit. Once you click the submit button, you just need to wait for the confirmation of your application in your email, and then follow the next steps until you get the right client in this website. So that's it for today, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.